Hey awesome ones, Heather here. Well, you've heard me say before that the first place you should shop for trends is from your own closet, but you're probably saying to yourself, well, where do I start? Is there a system? You know, what is Heather talking about? Well, I've got some tips and tricks for you, and it all starts in just a few seconds. So it's a fact. Most of us, we've got a closet full of clothes, but we tend to wear the same kind of things over and over again. You know, we get into a fashion rut, and then we see some new trends and stylings happening, and now when I see those new trends, what I do is I shop my wardrobe. And by the way, if you're wondering what the new trends are for 2020, I did do a video on that, and what I'm going to do is the end screen of this video, I'll put a link to it. But so what are the tips and tricks in attracting the trends and getting them out of your own wardrobe? Well, let's get started. Let's go. So polka dots are going to be really big this year, and I was certain that I didn't have a polka dotted anything in my closet, but I started digging into the closet and voila! I found this top before I went shopping for a polka dotted top in my closet. So what I want to do here is build a whole bunch of different outfits using this one polka dotted top. So here I am, and I have my polka dotted top, and what I have done is I've laid out a lot of different items from my closet that I think will really work with this polka dotted top. But I gotta tell you, like, it really takes a bit of time. So take a little bit of me time to do this. Don't rush it. Don't think, oh, I'll get this done in an hour. Just enjoy the time and kind of savor what you have and what you're putting together. So with this top, as you can see, it has a bit of a spaghetti strap here, and therefore, you know, the undies are pretty important for that, and it's also kind of narrow in the waist. So I made sure that I put on the bed a strapless bra here, and also some shapewear. We need the shapewear. Now, another kind of trending look is white and black right now. So I was really able to put some things together from my wardrobe for white and black, and also a lot of accessories. So let's just take a look at the accessories first. And I have all kinds of jewelry that I dug up. Some I haven't worn in a long time. I also kind of like this purse. It's kind of great little purse for a white and black look. And also, you might notice that I have a red purse and red shoes. You know, sometimes we just gotta jazz up that white and black look a little bit. Now, the thing about this top is it's kind of short, so in the torso, so I really needed to go for skirts and also pants that had a little bit of a higher waist, and I made sure I had some skinny jeans, I had some pattern capris, some other capris as well, and also some jackets to go with it. So now it's time to focus on the major look that I want to have, the polka dots and the black and white, and also start taking some things away. Now, this is very much a slinky little top, and I've also got a black skirt here, but you know what? By the time this is put together, there's just not enough material there for me, so skirt be gone, that's gonna go. And also, I think that this hoodie is just a little too casual for this kind of look with this kind of top, so hoodie be gone. And also I want to kind of, I don't know, what do you think? Maybe this one will kind of work. They're both kind of slinky materials. This is one I wasn't too sure about, and that is the patterns. And I know a lot of people are mixing patterns these days, but even if I decide I like this and I keep it in the mix, I'm probably not going to wear it, so I'm going to get rid of that one. Looking around at everything else, No, I think I've got a good mix left, so let's go from here. So what I'm going to do now with my phone is I'm going to take a little video of how I've laid everything out here, what I think will work together. And your wardrobe might be a lot different than mine. And if you notice, I'm going with an accent of the red shoes and the red purse. But you could maybe go for yellow. Yellow is a really big accent color right now. So just change it up a little bit. And maybe you like flat shoes instead of high heels, so whatever works for you. Now I really suggest that you take the video with your phone, just a little short video of what you have there. And then do something like what I've done here. I have done an album of my wardrobe here. So I've got various are just still pictures, and also the collages are also down here as well. And if you don't know how to do that, pick out your phone. So if you have an iPhone 10 or 11 or whatever number it is, or maybe you have a Samsung, just Google it and figure out how to make an album and how to drop those videos and still pictures of clothes you love to wear in your phone. It's a really handy idea. Now, as you're sort of dressing up and putting on different outfits, you'll want to also, as I mentioned already, put them in the album as well. How do you do that when you don't have a bill behind the camera taking pictures? Well, what I used to do is I used to just stand in front of a full-length mirror, and I used to sort of put the camera down low like this and then just shoot a selfie, and that really works. And keep that picture on your album, because you'll probably just at a glance say, oh yeah, that outfit looked really nice, and that was the jewelry I wore, and those were the shoes that I wore. And it's another really great thing to have when you don't know what to wear. So would you like to go for another collage? Hey, why not? Well, you know, if you did see that video that I did about what's happening, what's in fashion for 2020, you know that the Pantone Classic Blue was the color for the year. And I've got a few items that are pretty close to that color, so let me do a little collage all around that. So I got some of my blue clothing together, and this really nice top, this really nice jacket. I love this color so. And also another long sleeve top, and also a pair of, I guess you can call them jeans. They're a pair of blue jeans. But you know what? It's just too many blue items that I have here. So I started laying out a lot of the different things that would go with the outfits, and it's just too much of a mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to take some things away, and I'll show you how I do that in just a second. So I certainly don't want to put a collage like this big mess on my phone, so I got to take some things away. The first thing I'm going to take away are these pants. I don't need them. Let's just shorten it up a bit. But I do like the two tops. I got a short top, I have a long sleeve top, and then I have the jacket. So these are really nice jewel colors. So I think I wear too much black, so I think I'm just going to throw that. That can be gone. I also think I'm going to liven up the look a little bit. So let's take away the black purse. Let's take away the black pumps. The black skirt, I got an idea for it. It's the only skirt that I have here. I also have a lot of white tops here, but that's to go. Doesn't that look so pretty with the blue? The blue and the white is so nice together. So I think I'll work with that. I also want some casual looks, so I've got my capri here that I could wear with that. I've also got my boyfriend jeans. That's good. That can all stay in the mix. And I also find that a pattern like gray, this also will look really nice with the blue. And of course, jewel colors. Let's add some look like that. And also, yeah, with this. And even beige pants. But you know what? The black pants, be gone. Let's get rid of everything black, and let's just liven up the colors a little bit. with with what I've got here, and I'm just going to make it all look pretty, and then I'll show it all to you. All right, so let's take a look at some of the things that I've put together, and I still need my shapewear. I'm also going to be wearing some white tops, so I want more of a beige colored bra for that. And let's take a look at some of this jewelry here, because I left the silver in because silver in this color looks really nice together. And then I picked out some nice blue necklaces. Some of the things, again, that I hadn't sort of worn in a long time. I also thought with that color and the fringy kind of look, I would even go for maybe some kind of a Santa Fe kind of look here as well. And with that one blue blouse that I have, it's a very delicate looking blouse, and so I would want a delicate necklace like that. And of course my Fitbit watch and my white watch. And don't forget those cool blue sunglasses. So I literally have dozens of outfits that I can wear from this collage here. And if you notice, there's only one thing that's black, and that's that skirt. So yay for me. I've got some color in this wardrobe. But let's start off with the pants. Again, I have some capris. I kept the gray in, the boyfriend jeans, a nice, these are all stretchy material too, nice pair of stretchy white pants. Also, I put this together with a little, just a small little purse for casual days. This, again, I think this looks really pretty. It's really a nice pretty color with that top. Maybe something that you wouldn't put together normally, but I think it's very nice, and I'll pick out some jewelry for that as well. And then of course we've got to do the accessories like the boots or the shoes, and boots would really go well, especially with this kind of look here. Getting into this top, this cardigan here, or sweater, whatever you want to call it. It looks really nice with the lace, and if you can see that with the white, that would make a lovely outfit as well. And also pairing that with a pair of maybe floral shoes. Floral pattern shoes are very, very popular right now. I just have some inserts to keep them extra comfy. And talking about shoes, also, the slingback is in, so this slingback shoe will look really, really nice, especially when it's all paired with a nice jewel tone purse like this. So this looks really nice, and you can just kind of imagine, maybe this will be one of the outfits that I'll show for you, how all of this kind of look would really look nice together. So I got a lot of casual things going on here, but of course we got to dress up once in a while for maybe a business look. That's why I kept the black skirt in there. And I think that, I don't know if you can see this too well, but I think that's a very elegant kind of look there. And of course I would need booties with this kind of look, and if it's the summertime, maybe even a nice pair of strappy sandals. But yeah, let me just put the collage together for you. All right, so this is the kind of collage that I would put on my phone, just getting an idea of some of the things that I could wear with these beautiful blues. Close-up of the jewelry. So now that I did all this work, let's take a look at some of the outfits that I put together. I did 2 in the polka dots and 2 in the blue. So the first one I have here, I decided to do sort of a white, you don't want to look all in black with a polka dotted outfit like this. And I have a white bomber jacket, a little tiny purse to go with it. And these are actually capris that I have put into these boots, but this style of boot is very popular right now, and really, really comfortable as well. So I think it makes for quite a nice polka dotted look. Now let's look at something a little bit different, and this one is more of a business work style. And with this one, yes, the black really does go. I added a splash of color with the purse and also with the pumps. They're both in a wine color, and I think this is great for a work day, business, or whatever. Now switching over to something really fun. I love my fringe jacket, and fringes are trending still, and I have that pop of blue. I have my stretchy jeggings on with my boots that are, again, super comfortable. And don't forget to wear your kind of cool sunglasses with this kind of look. Now next, again, I'm trying to stay away from wearing a lot of black, so I'm going with the white. I've got a beautiful lace top underneath. I've paired this blue because it's a jewel tone. It goes quite nicely with the jewel purse, snakeskin slingback shoes. Slingbacks are also trending. And again, those are those capris I wore in the first one, and it's a nice fresh look. So I could really do a bunch more collages for you of clothes that are trending for this year, such as, well, the floral tops, or maybe the tops, you know, with the bows that are trending right now. But hey, who wants to look at a video that's an hour long? So I won't be doing that, but I will be doing it for myself and making way for the new seasons. So another thing to remember is that I built that whole first collage around one polka dotted top. And well, maybe you don't have a polka dotted top, but you can just buy one thing and then just sort of get the others from your closet to help make the outfits. Now, to help you out, what we'll do is we'll put some links below this video of polka dotted tops and floral tops and tops with bows, that sort of things that are trending, and also that beautiful blue. And that'll help you out a little bit, but you might only need to buy one thing. So I hope this video really helps you to feel more stylish and more confident by shopping your wardrobe. And let me know in the comments if you feel that, you know, some of these tips and tricks really are going to help. And somebody else who's always confident is our little Yorkie Hurricane. Hurricane, how are you? And when Hurricane comes on the scene, yes, he reminds me to talk about future videos. And I'm really excited. I'm going to one of the major fashion malls in the country this weekend, and I'm bringing along my trusted cameraman, Bill. Yep, I'm bringing Bill shopping with me, and we're going to check out more styles and trends and see what's showing in the windows and stores of the mall. So I'll be sharing that with you. So there's lots more fashion to come up, and also more makeup, more skincare, and a lot more on self-care as well. So, and oh, by the way, if you don't want to miss any of the videos, don't forget to click on subscribe below if you're not a subscriber, and also make sure that you click on the bell, and that way you'll be notified of all of the upcoming videos. And over at our second channel, which is youtube.com/awesomeover50inspiration, we have new home decor videos coming up, food, fun, and if you're planning to travel this year, we have a lot of tips on traveling, and also we're sharing our videos of our travels to Paris and London and even Niagara Falls. So I guess this video kind of touched on the subject of less is more. I know as consumers, a lot of times we go shopping and then we bring back a pair of black pants only to find that we already have two in our closet just like them. And this is just a way of looking at your closet with some kind of an attitude of gratitude to be happy with what you have and to keep it awesome.